Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richard back again with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Collector's Edition set of The Devil's Advocate. This is a Shout Studios release in the USA, so I've imported this over to the UK, and I'm pleased to say that it's arrived in one piece. Looks pretty mint, and yeah, it's got this really nice artwork, which I'm a fan of. So I had a few of these in the collection. I have the VHS set, which I'll come to in a moment for you. If you're interested, please do stay to the end. And I do have two snapcase copies on DVD. And if you are aware of this movie, you will know that there was two different issues of this release. This was the original theatrical release with the statue, which then caused a bit of an outrage with, I think it was the Catholic Church, I might be wrong. But basically, every version of the film since this has had to have the statue digitally altered. And that is what happened to this DVD. And I still believe, well, I do believe that it's still on this one as well. So, for this release, we get a slipcover, and it has the Scream Factory logo at the bottom. So let's zoom in on the back and let's check this one out. So there's a bit about the movie, if you're not familiar with it. Keanu Reeves, of course, with Charlize Theron. And, of course, Al Pacino in the lead role. So disc 1 is a new 4K transfer from the original 35mm camera negative, and it's presented in Dolby Vision. The Blu-ray is also from the same scan. There is no Dolby Atmos track on this one. It's a DTS HD Master Audio 5.1 track, and the movie is in the 2.39:1 aspect ratio, and it runs for a long 144 minutes. Okay, let's zoom out and I'll show you inside. Usual slipcover from Shout with the cutout at the back. Inside, we've got an 11mm keep case finished in black. No reverse artwork. There is your Blu-ray disc artwork, which is a triple layer 100 gig disc, which again is great to see. And there is your Blu-ray, which I'll check if it's 50 gig. They're pretty good. Yep, it's 50 gig Blu-ray disc. So, you've stuck to the end. This was the original release, which has special edition up the top and not on the spine. It does have a warning about the sculpture. It's not connected in any way and was not endorsed by the sculpture or by the Washington National Cathedral. Okay, so inside the snapper, we had disc art and the code inside. So, for the next release, they added special edition on the back, on the spine, sorry, and on the back, the warning about the sculpture has gone. Inside, disc art, again, with 16172 at the bottom. This one, 15090 at the bottom. So, you're asking about the VHS. So this UK set, which again has this really nice artwork, does mention the sculpture as well. And inside, we've got some really big art cards, glossy, just your 3. With Devil's Advocate on the back. And then we've got the book. And the VHS in widescreen. in a typical UK clamshell, because I know in the US they were usually cardboard. Dolby surround stereo at the bottom, and that is your VHS. So let's put all this back together. So that is it. That's this video. Hope you liked a little look at the collection and a little bit about the history. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give us a like, consider subscribing and sharing. But always good to read your comments to see if you are a fan of this film. But thanks for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.